Welcome to my Road Power TV channel. The 2025 Toyota Crown Sedan is here, and it's not just another midsize luxury sedan. Toyota has taken a bold step in blending sophistication with innovation, delivering a vehicle that turns heads and challenges expectations. This year's model builds on the Crown's legacy while introducing refined details, updated tech, and an even more engaging driving experience. From the moment you lay eyes on it, the Crown Sedan asserts its presence. The sculpted lines, the elongated body, and that signature front grille with a striking light bar give it a futuristic elegance. Toyota has leaned into a premium aesthetic with this model, making it clear that the Crown is intended to stand out in a crowd. It's not trying to be flashy, but it commands attention in a subtle, confident way. Under the hood, the 2025 Crown offers two hybrid powertrains. The standard version features a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine paired with Toyota's latest hybrid system, delivering smooth acceleration and excellent fuel efficiency. For drivers looking for more excitement, the Platinum trim comes with the Hybrid Max system. This turbocharged 2.4-liter engine paired with electric motors pumps out up to 340 horsepower, giving you power on demand and a surprisingly responsive drive for a sedan of this size. The all-wheel drive system is standard across all trims, providing better traction, control, and stability in a variety of conditions. Right away, the exterior commands presence. The Crown's design is both sophisticated and daring. The front grille is more sculpted than ever, giving it a luxury meets sport look, while the sleek LED headlamps and dramatic daytime running lights give the car a futuristic touch. The roofline gently slopes back in a fastback style, adding a coupe-like flair, even though this is still very much a four-door sedan. You can see Toyota leaning hard into upscale cues here, and it works. Now step inside, and things get even more refined. The cabin is whisper quiet, spacious, and trimmed with high-quality materials. Toyota clearly wants the Crown to feel like a premium experience, and they've delivered. A massive 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster greets the driver, seamlessly paired with a matching 12.3-inch infotainment touchscreen. Everything is intuitive, snappy, and, most importantly, not overcomplicated. Physical buttons still exist for essential climate controls, which is something a lot of drivers will appreciate. Under the hood, Toyota offers two hybrid powertrain options. The base model gets a 2.5-liter four-cylinder hybrid setup producing around 236 horsepower and comes with standard all-wheel drive. It's efficient, smooth, and perfect for everyday driving. But if you want more punch, the top Platinum trim features Toyota's Hybrid Max system, a 2.4-liter turbocharged engine paired with an electric motor, delivering a robust 340 horsepower. Acceleration is quick, steering is responsive, and the adaptive suspension adjusts to your driving style. Whether you're commuting or taking a weekend trip, the Crown balances comfort and control with surprising finesse. Fuel economy remains a major strength. The base hybrid delivers an impressive estimated 41 miles per gallon combined. The more powerful Max setup does dip a bit, coming in around 30 mpg, but it's still efficient for the performance it delivers. And with both systems offering all-wheel drive, the Crown doesn't just look ready for any condition, it actually is. Technology-wise, the Crown keeps up with the competition and even leads in some areas. You get wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, cloud-based navigation, and an available 11-speaker JBL sound system that fills the cabin with crisp, immersive audio. Over-the-air updates keep the software fresh, and the user interface is one of the better ones we've seen from Toyota in recent years. Safety isn't left behind either. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 comes standard, offering adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, pre-collision warning, and more. It's the kind of suite that helps you drive with confidence, whether you're in traffic or cruising the highway. So, who is the 2025 Toyota Crown for? It's for the driver who wants the elegance of a luxury sedan, the practicality of hybrid efficiency, and the all-weather confidence of all-wheel drive. It's not trying to be a budget car, and it doesn't need to be. This is Toyota's vision for a modern flagship sedan, and it nails it. The 2025 Crown is stylish without being flashy, powerful without being thirsty, and tech-savvy without being overwhelming. In a world dominated by SUVs, it reminds us that the full-size sedan isn't just alive, it's evolving. Let us know in the comments what you think of the new Crown. Would you choose this over an SUV or a traditional luxury brand? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.